The ZMISHIBO 19-inch ceiling fan with lights and remote control combines sleek design, functionality, and convenience, making it a standout addition to any room. Its modern aesthetic blends seamlessly with contemporary decor, while the integrated lighting adds a practical yet stylish touch. The fan is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, providing both air circulation and illumination in a compact, efficient package. One of the most impressive features is the quiet and powerful airflow. Despite its 19-inch size, the fan circulates air effectively, creating a comfortable environment without producing distracting noise. This is especially beneficial for bedrooms or study areas, where maintaining a calm and peaceful atmosphere is important. The multiple speed settings allow for precise control, so you can adjust the airflow to your preference, whether you want a gentle breeze or stronger circulation on warmer days. The remote control is highly convenient, offering full access to fan speed, light brightness, and power without needing to reach for switches. This enhances comfort and flexibility, especially in larger rooms or for individuals with mobility concerns. The light function itself is bright and energy efficient, providing excellent illumination for reading, working, or general room lighting. It can be dimmed for a softer ambience, making it versatile for different moods and activities. Installation is straightforward, and the ceiling fan feels solid and well-built once mounted. The blades are balanced and designed to prevent wobbling, ensuring stable operation and long-term reliability. Its durable construction and quality materials suggest that it will perform consistently for years, resisting wear and maintaining both its functionality and aesthetic appeal over time. The combination of airflow, lighting, and remote control functionality makes this fan a highly practical solution for modern homes. Its compact size ensures it fits neatly without overwhelming the space, yet it provides powerful performance that competes with larger models. It is particularly well-suited for rooms that need efficient cooling without sacrificing style or requiring complicated setups. Overall, the ZMISHIBO 19-inch ceiling fan with lights and remote excels in design, performance, and convenience. It offers a quiet, effective, and energy-efficient solution for keeping spaces comfortable while adding a modern flair. For anyone looking to upgrade their ceiling fan with a stylish, functional, and easy-to-control option, this model stands out as one of the best choices on the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.